Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a cool video title for your vlogs or videos in CapCut. So here I've already on the CapCut and I've already added the videos that I want to edit. And if you want to instantly make a cool title, you can just use the CapCut text template. So by going to text, then click on the text template. Here you can find lots of text template that you can freely use. So just choose which one that you want to use. For example, you want to add the title for your vlog, so just click on the vlog category here. You can see there are lots of options and you can just choose which one that you think fits your style the best. So for example, I am going to use this one. Just click on the title and double click on the text to change the sentence or the word. Okay, for example, here I'm going to change the second one like this and just click on a check icon. Now the title will be there, so you can just choose which one to use. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.